Hello. Are you tired of holding your camera like this, what I'm doing now, and it's a little bit shaky? Then stay tuned for Zachary High Tech Review. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and put on the post notifications so that you will be informed every time when I uploading a new YouTube video. So today I'm going to show you a tripod of Hama, which I recently bought for this YouTube channel. Why? Because I was using this tripod and I was also using this tripod. Both tripods are great. This one was from a telescope that I don't really use that much anymore. So this tripod I used a lot of times, but because this tripod is not that high, I think it's 1.25 m, it's not great to use it for this channel. So I want to stand up, be more active on my videos. So as you can see, this tripod I'm going to use still, but this one I'm going to get rid of. If you like to have this one, please put the comments below, and then I will send this as a free gift to you. I'm not going to speak any further. Let's get right into today's unboxing and reviewing of this tripod that I bought. Like I said, this is the Hama tripod. It's the STAR64 185 3D. So what does it say? The tripod can reach a height of 185 centimeters and is in 3 directions that you can tilt that where your camera is mounted on. So I'm stop talking and unbox this box, of course. The tripod comes with a bag with Hama on it, as you can see. Okay, it's got a shoulder strap, so you can take it everywhere with you without holding it. So just test it. Yep, you can put it in, like you put it on like this, or the other shoulder, of course, no problem. So then you turn it around. I still talk, I know, I'm sorry, Zachary High Tech talk, but that is already out. Next Friday I'm going to release a new Zachary High Tech talk. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do, and put on the post notifications that you don't miss out on any of my videos that I'm going to post in the near future. Okay, so this is huge. This is a big tripod. Compared to this one, this is the tripod of Yobi. A very good one. This is the Gorilla Pod for 1 kilograms of camera that you can put on here. Like I do, I'm using a smartphone, my iPhone XS Max, 10S Max, whatever you like to call it. And I've got a smartphone mount on the tripod. So whether I'm using this one or when I'm going to use this one, I have the special mount for the iPhone or for the smartphone. You can buy them very cheap, around $10 max, but you can get better quality, but this do. So it's decent packed. I'm going to unpack it, unboxing. So the first thing that I noticed on this tripod are the little feet or dobs or little paws, I don't know, but they are very flexible, so when you put that down it will stand. So as you can see, the color is looking nice. It's not gray, it's not black, but it's a little brownish. Okay, as you can see, you can put the tripod in 3 levels up. This is very high. So you don't need to. You can also use medium height or just a lower height. When you put it down, you see this knob here, and when you twist it a little bit, it doesn't go back anymore. So you can tie that up and then it will stay like that. Then the question that I had before, where is this hook for? When you are recording outside and it is very windy, you can put some weight on it so that you have a stable tripod that doesn't move around. So now you know. As you can see, you have a very big head on this tripod, very decent one compared to this one. A handle, if you loosen it a little bit, then you can move it in this direction. Okay, then we have this little knob. If you open it or loosen it, then you can move it in this direction. And of course the tilt mode, just twist this one and it goes up like this. Okay, so the 3 dimensions on it. So as you can see, there is already a mount on it, but for a normal regular camera, this one I can put the smartphone mount on, tie it up, and then if I want to record the phone without using the tripod, just put the lever like this and then it's going off. So here I can put my camera on and take it everywhere where I want. If I do want to use the tripod, just click it on like that and it's done. So you also have a little level gauge. Okay, so there you can see if the tripod is steady and level. And then you have this little screw. You need to make sure you need to make sure that this one is loose when you are going to put the height even more. So that being said, I'm going to show you the full length of this tripod. Just a second. I'm going to put the first level out like this. Just tie it up directly. So when I put it down like this, this is the same height as the camera now is. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same, a little bit the same height now. I can put it down if you like. So little brother, okay, but little brother is going to grow even more because I still have some height left. In this case, I can move it up like this. So, tie the screw up and then it will be steady enough. Okay, so when I push it, nothing is happening. That's very good. Now I'm going to lift the screw up and then put it down again. So, and then we have the the full height. As you can see, I still have some height left. Just skip the slow part. Huh? So this is the full length that I can use for my new videos of Zachary Tech Talk or some other how-to videos, because not all the time I'm sitting behind my computer. I also like to stand and talk in front of the camera. So that being said, this is the new tripod of Hama. It's the STAR64 185 3D. I know it's a lot of words and specs, but this tripod is really nice to use. Okay, so I'm going to change the cameras from the old tripod to the new. So as you can see, the camera is now at the same height as I am, so which is nice and good if you are planning to talk straight into the camera. So this tripod, I didn't change anything about it. I just have the same height, but I can lift it even more. So if you are planning using this kind of perspective, you can. It's not that difficult. You just raise the limit and then you will get this kind of perspective. So as you can see, the tripod is very easy to use. Now what I think about it. The tripod is easy in use. Like this one that I had before, it had 4 levels of putting it on height. But then you get this small tripod and the quality is bad because it's very cheap and easy to bend. However, this tripod that I'm using now from Hama STAR64 185 3D is easy in use. You can put it everywhere. You can put it in 3 different heights. Of course, you can lift it even higher than what I have now. It has a level and you can put some weights on it so that also in bad weather condition you can record outside, which is also nice to do. That being said, this is a tripod that I just have for a few days, so I still need to learn some things about this tripod. It's an easy to use. You can do whatever you like with this tripod from Hama. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, put on the post notifications and don't miss out on any new videos that I'm going to put out. Like tomorrow, Horizon Zero Dawn in cartoon part 7. Aloy made it through the proving, but something happened. So stay tuned for that one. Also on Wednesday, I'm going to put out some new how-to video. I don't know if I'm going to put out how to 3D print or how to make your video on YouTube, because like you saw in another video, I used an old iPad 2, did some recording, did some video editing with only using the software of YouTube and put it on YouTube. So 2 videos in one, and also going to put out a video how to record it with your normal smartphone. In this case, I'm going to use my iPhone XS Max, but it's still the same method of putting out videos on YouTube. So stay tuned, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace, bye bye.